Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are discussing why Cathie Wood of Ark Invest predicts well over triple-digit upside for the stocks that we will talk about in this video, and we will even talk about the top 10 best penny stocks to buy right now that may be brought into Cathie Wood's Ark ETFs one day. These penny stocks are very popular on Reddit, so I want you all to decide for yourselves if any of these penny stocks deserve an investment from you. With that being said, remember to go and press the like button right now if you like Ark Invest ETFs, comment down below one of your favorite stocks that Cathie Wood owns in her ARK fund, subscribe and turn on all notifications to stay informed, and now let's get right into today's stories. One of Cathie Wood's most famous and recent investments is DraftKings, which is a very popular sports betting and fantasy sports company that has grown their revenues at an average annual rate of 50% for the last 5 consecutive years. Cathie Wood firmly believes that by 2025, DraftKings will maintain their leadership in this space to where the market could be worth over $15 billion annually, which will work out very favorably for the company. Next, we have another Ark Invest favorite, which is Shopify, and this company is setting itself up to be the next e-commerce giant, and I would say that they are doing a great job because they are one of the leading e-commerce platforms for small businesses with an average annual revenue growth rate of 70%, and in quarter 2, they had over $1 billion worth of revenues. Next up, we have one of my personal favorite stocks that I report on often on this channel, and that's Palantir Technologies, which is a big data software analytics and AI company that has grown their revenues around 47% over the past year. They are also anticipated to have an annual revenue growth rate of 30% until 2025, which is absolutely fantastic news, and this makes this stock one of Cathie Wood's favorite stocks to invest into. However, even with that being said, Cathie Wood's top 5 holdings are Tesla, Teladoc Health, Unity Technologies, Coinbase, and Square. These companies should give investors great returns according to Ark Invest analysts, but the real trick is to find stocks that Ark has yet to adopt into their ETFs, such as the stocks we are about to talk about. These hidden gems have great growth potential, but they are all extremely risky, and there is no guarantee that Ark will eventually invest into these penny stocks, so invest with caution. Thanks to internet forums like Reddit, the stock market now has a new kind of investor that is willing to take on large amounts of risk for huge rewards. According to a Goldman Sachs analyst, he noted that this new breed of investor has successfully outperformed the stock market benchmark, such as the S&P 500, many times over. However, there are also many investors that take this same high-risk, high-reward strategy who lose money, so keep that in mind and always have proper risk management in place before you invest into any risky asset. This type of investor has also put a huge burden on hedge funds, which already have a tarnished reputation among retail investors because many hedge funds cannot seem to beat the regular market returns. With that being said, however, there are a few hedge funds that have beat the market by over 124% since March of 2017, so we will be taking a look at how many hedge funds own these penny stocks as a useful indicator of how valuable these stocks may become in the near future. These penny stocks are listed from worst to best, but please use your own discretion and do your own research on what stocks you think are good or not, so feel free to throw a few of these stocks into a watch list. In our number 10 spot, we have Farmy, which is a Chinese-based firm that sells agricultural products. Their current stock price is 20 cents per share with a market cap of around $40 million. However, their annual revenues are close to their market cap because they pulled in $30 million worth of revenues last year, and they also signed a 50-year partnership agreement with Sigma Holdings to expand their distribution network so they can sell more product. In total, they have 2 hedge funds that currently own this asset. In the number 9 spot, we have Pintech Technology Holdings, which is a foreign financial and technology company that has entered a partnership with China Mobile Communications to advance their fintech solutions, data analytics, and their artificial intelligence technology. Currently, 2 hedge funds own the stock, and the price per share is just under $1, sitting at 95 cents. They have a market capitalization of around $39 million, but they posted $57 million worth of revenues last year, which is a very good sign. In the number 8 spot, we have Everglory International Group, which has an average share price of $2.96 right now. This company is a retail and clothing company that is headquartered in China. Their market cap has increased from $33 million to $44 million since last time I checked, and the company posted $71 million worth of revenue, which is actually a 21% increase. They also approved a stock buyback program that ends in December, and they want to enter more foreign markets such as the UK, Germany, and the United States. For number 7, we have Citius Pharmaceuticals, which has 5 hedge funds holding their stock. Their current share price has increased since the last time I checked in August, to where now it has increased from $1.89 to $2.12. This is a pharmaceutical company that is headquartered in New Jersey, which was added to the Russell 2000 index at the end of June. Their recent earnings beat predictions by 5 cents a share, and they have $103 million worth of cash or cash equivalents on their balance sheet, which is a lot of money for a company whose market cap is only $300 million. Coming in at number 6, we have Atossa Therapeutics, whose stock price has also appreciated since last time I looked. It was $2.91 per share, and now it's worth $3.38 per share, which is actually a really good amount of stock appreciation. This firm is based in Washington, and they sell pharmaceutical products that cure infectious diseases. They are owned by 6 hedge funds who have invested almost $7 million collectively into this company. The company also has a healthy amount of cash on hand, which equals $137 million, with the current market cap being only $427 million. Now we get to break into the top 5 best penny stocks, so let's start off with ticker symbol ETON. This is an Illinois-based firm that develops drug treatments for rare diseases, and one of their drugs was recently approved for use in the United States. The stock price currently sits at around $5, but analysts say that thanks to their drug being approved, the stock should actually be worth somewhere around $11 per share. Right now, 6 hedge funds own this stock, and the equity that they have invested into this company is worth around $31 million. Here at number 4, we have Exela Technologies, which is a transaction processing and solutions company that is held by 8 hedge funds. Its stock is worth $2 per share at the moment, and the firm has increased its market cap from $155 million to $286 million. They also posted $1.2 billion worth of revenues last year, so according to analysts, the stock could double to $4 a share. However, we don't know when that will be or even if that will actually happen. In the top 3 spot, we have ticker symbol XCUR, which trades at $1.29, and this is another Illinois-based clinical stage biotechnology company that was founded in 2011. The company also signed a major deal, which caused its stock price to surge by 32%. Right now, 9 hedge funds own this stock, which has an average price target of $6. Our runner-up stock is Outlook Therapeutics, which is held by 11 hedge funds, which has a stock price of $2.31. This is a biopharma company that develops monoclonal antibodies. This stock also joined the Russell 2000, and it has great price predictions by analysts of $6 on the low end, $7 as the average, and $8 as the high-end price target. Their market capitalization is $400 million, but the firm is at minimum worth $1 billion, which is why 11 hedge funds own this penny stock. In our number 1 spot, we have a penny stock that is held by 15 hedge funds, which is named Infinity Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol INFI. This company works on medicines that treat cancer, and so far the firm has 2 promising treatment candidates that made Wells Fargo increase their original $4 price target all the way to $14 per share. But keep in mind that the stock is currently only worth $3.59. On a more neutral note, JP Morgan has a $6 price target for the stock, but either way, those would both be some great stock appreciation gains. But I want to know if you are interested in any of these stocks, so comment down below which stocks you will put in a watch list. Also, I want you to know that I personally don't own any of these stocks because I am a risk-averse investor. Remember to like this video right now if you made it all the way to the end, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next YT video.